Alright. We'll try it. Change the oil. Perfect. All down my end. Get the head of these bolts round off real easy. So I just welded a nut on it to make it easy to take it on and off. We replace it a time or two. The new ones round the same way. So we just weld a nut on it and don't have to worry about it no more. Yeah, I know I said they round easy, but it ain't because of I'm using the wrong wrench. It's because it's what I could grab easy today. And you don't have trouble with them stripping when you weld a good nut on the bottom of it. Sometimes it's easier to get if you take this plug out the wire out the way. To get your oil filter out of there. You're probably fitting to make a mess. Maybe not. Perfect. That worked out good. Make sure you replace your O-ring around where your filter sits in there too. Make sure the old one comes out. Make sure you get that filter it's good and snug. Don't try to ring it because you got an O-ring, a seal on the bottom and a seal on the top. That's pretty much it. This thing here is so old and it does burn a right good bit of oil. That's why I'm not real picky over which kind we put in it, because like I said, it burns a right good bit. And if you didn't know, this is your oil. You can see the height of them. This one's a little lower than that one. That's your low oil, and that's your full or high oil mark on that one. So if you go to check your oil, you back that one loose. If it drips out, you know it's at least to the low mark. Then you do this one. If it comes out, or you fill it up, and then when it starts to come out of this one, you know it's full. Then when you check it, just check this one first. Nothing comes out. Then check this one. And just make it where it comes out of that one each time you check it. And how often you check it depends on how much it uses. And this one you have to check it about every other day. And it'll use a half a quart or so. As soon as you start pouring your oil in, make sure you've got these loose so you can see because the oil will drip out from the back side. There's one on that one, and there's the hole on that one right there, my finger. Make sure when you pour an oil in, you're looking for it. Okay, that means it's to the low mark. Snug that one up. Make sure your high mark is, your full mark is loose. It might need a little more. And just add a little bit at a time. Make sure that one's loose. Add a little bit and wait. Give it a second to drain in there. There it goes. Alright, she's full. Excuse me. Take your wrench and just snug them a little teeny bit. And that's how you make sure it's back full. Alright, I reckon we're ready to fire it up. Yeah, that's rust prevention, that little spill that happened. Enough of that. Let's see what she sounds like. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.